Men of Reddit. What are some romantic gestures that girls do that completely melt your heart? 1. Close and emotionally charged hugs. When she buries herself in my chest or neck. Makes me feel all strong and protective and absolutely melts me. 2. I'm legally blind in my right eye, and one girl I was dating always made a point to get seats on the right side of theaters so that I'd be able to see everything without turning my head. Really simple, but it blew me away when I caught on to her. 3. When she quietly sits down next to me and snuggles in. 4. On Valentine's Day, or maybe it was our anniversary, she gave me a deck of cards labeled 52 Things I Love About You. And each card had some unique little quirk of mine. Half of them were things I didn't even realize I did. Absolutely melted my heart. We're not dating anymore, but I still hang on to that deck of cards. Even though now it just makes me profoundly sad. 5. Effort. Your SO may not know exactly what you want or need, but as long as they try, that feels nice. 6. When she initiates any sort of romantic contact, maybe a kiss or just gripping me tighter when cuddling and letting out a content